Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm really excited because I'm going to be sharing with you a cleaning company and brand that I have been using lately, not only all around my kitchen but all around my whole house. So today I'm so excited about introducing you to this Australian made and owned cleaning company, and it is called Ayers & Co. I'm so excited about these products because they work so incredibly well. They are so effective and safe for the whole family. I have 3 little kids, so I'm so glad to find non-toxic, no nasty chemical kind of cleaning products I can use all over my house and on my children, and know that it's completely safe to use. So these are Australian made and owned, but what I really love about Ayers & Co is that they do donate 20% of all their profits to various charities and organizations, which is fantastic. If you want to find out more about exactly where they donate to, make sure you check them out on Instagram. I'll have it linked here on the screen. Make sure you go give them a follow and check out their stories. You can find out a whole heap more information about where they donate. And I just love that Ayers & Co are dermatologically tested, and they're biodegradable, eco-friendly, toxic-free, all that great stuff that you want in a cleaning product, especially for a family. So let's just get on and I'll show you what's inside my box. They do also have bundle deals as well if you want to save a bit of money. They do offer quite a few different bundle deals, so you can buy in bulk and save some money as well, which is great because we're all doing so much more cleaning in this day and age. We always need cleaning products, so it's so important to look after our health and our families. But anyway, onto the first product. This one here comes in a recyclable cardboard little cylinder here, and it's 30-day protection surface disinfectant. Kills COVID-19. Fantastic. What more could you want? This comes in a little spray bottle, and this is 300 mils, more than enough in there for 30 days. And I love that this is a surface disinfectant. So it's a surface spray that's going to clean your home. You can use it anywhere on pretty much any surface. And I just love that I can use this, and it's been working so incredibly well. My home looks so clean and fresh. And not only have I been using this in my kitchen, I've also been using this in the bathroom, the bedrooms, my dining room, my lounge room. Like, it's just so universally great, and I'm such a huge fan of this product. So next up in the box, we have another 300 ml spray bottle, and this is their water-based universal cleaner. So I love that this is a universal product. Being a mum of 3, I'm so busy. I also work part-time, so knowing that I can just grab a universal cleaner, not have to worry about what exactly it is, I can just use it all over my home, be done with it, get my cleaning done quickly. I just love that about this product. I've been using it so much, and between these two, they've just been getting my house looking so good, so germ-free, and so clean. I'm really, really happy with these products. But last but not least, for the cleaning products in my box here, I have the massive pump bottle of the Ayers & Co foaming hand sanitizer. Now this is 375 ml, bigger than the other ones. So what I've been doing with this little baby is at my front door, I have a side entry table, and this just sits there. So whenever any of us leave the house, we can put some hand sanitizer on our hands, and also whenever we just come home. So if we're coming home from a school pickup or school drop off, or the kids are coming home from school, or sports training or sports events and games and stuff like that, they can pop on this hand sanitizer as soon as they walk through the door. So that is fantastic, and I can know that my family is being protected. It kills 99.99% of germs for up to 24 hours, which is so incredibly powerful for such a non-toxic product. So not only that, we are not done yet. We have in the box here some cleaning cloths. So there's these 2 here. There's also 2 more, which are different fabrics. So these are also great to use all around your home. I love using these on my surfaces, on mirrors, on coffee tables, dining tables, anything like that. They're really great at picking up dust and spills. So handy to have. But not only that, I don't have many of these left, but you can also get individual surface disinfectant wipes. Now these are great. They come individually wrapped. So if you want to throw a couple of these in your car or in your handbag, so good for on the go. They give everything a really good clean and disinfect and germ killing. So great to have these. I just love them to have on the go. They've been great. So Ayers & Co are all about spreading kindness, not germs. So I just love that. They get you through every single day of the week, like it says in the box. Tick every day, Monday through Sunday. They have got your back. So that's it, guys. That's my review of Ayers & Co's cleaning products. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope it was helpful for you guys. So if you're looking to upgrade your cleaning routine like I am, make sure you go check out Ayers & Co. If you're interested in some Australian made and owned, really effective pleasantly smelling cleaning products for your home and for your family. I'll have the link right here on the screen for you. Make sure you check them out. It's well worth looking into and investing your money in for this kind of product. They're also really affordable and they do great things by giving back to the community. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!